Power BI is a really powerful data visualization tool. It helps you to get meaningful insights from different complex data sources. On the home button, there are plenty of available options. Get data is one of them. Power BI provides a wide range of different data sources it can be connected to. The most commonly used are SQL Server databases, Azure SQL databases, Excel spreadsheets, and CSV files. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are three different views. The report view, where the charts and visualizations are going to be. The second view is table view, where it contains the data in its table format. The third view is the model view, where you can modify and establish relationships between different entities. On the right-hand side of the screen, there are three different panes: data pane, visualization pane, and filters pane. The data pane, where the data is going to be located, visualization pane. Power BI provides a wide range of different visualization tools such as bar chart, donut chart, pie chart, cards, and clustered column charts. The filters pane, it allows you to filter the data you're going to import into your Power BI desktop.